Hey guys, today me try understand why some men never chase women, but women still chase them like hungry wolf after juicy squirrel, and me already feel brain melt. Caveman sit by river, see one man chase woman like lost puppy. He send many bird messages, you call them text, give her all his firewood, even carve her face in rock. Woman smile, then disappear, no chase back, just vanish into jungle. But other man he no chase, he just walk like king, grunt once, build fire, and next moon 5 women bring him mammoth ribs. What sorcery this, what scent this man carry, caveman confused. Then tribe shaman say, it not about chasing, it about who you are. Caveman say, me confused again. So today, caveman break it down. If you no learn these secret man codes, you end up chasing shadows while tribe laugh and woman ride mammoth with another man. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick. But only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, what moon time is best for no chase. Now grab your stone seat, hold onto your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. Caveman sees strange pattern in tribe. Man who chase woman with gifts, praise, and wild dancing. Woman run away like gazelle from angry rhino. But man who no chase, who build fire, sharpen axe, and grunt only when necessary. Woman follow him like bees follow honeystone. Caveman confused. Me ask wife, why woman go after man who act like he no care? Wife sip stew slow, then say, because that man already full. He no need to chase, he already know he enough. Caveman blink. You mean, man who no chase still win? Wife nod. Yes, he no beg, he no try too hard, he focus on his path that make woman want to follow. Caveman think long time, it not about games, it not trick, it mindset. Man who chase say, please pick me. Man who no chase say, I already picked me. Caveman remember old hunting rule, when you run after monkey too fast, monkey climb tree and throw fruit at you. But when you sit still, sharpen spear and wait, monkey come close. Same rule. So cavemen decide, if me want tribe and woman to follow, me must become leader, not desperate monkey chaser. Mindset 1, the abundance fire. Caveman meets 2 men. First man cries, she left me. She was only a mammoth in the jungle. He chases, begs, offers berries and shiny stones. Woman laughs and vanishes. Second man, he says nothing. He hunts, he trains, he builds a new hut. 3 new women appear and ask to join the fire. Why? Because the second man carries what his wife calls abundance fire. Wife explains, a man who never chases knows he does not need one woman to feel full. He is already full. He is not scared to lose her because he knows others are out there. Caveman blinks slowly. So a man who chases believes a woman is the whole sky, but a man who does not chase sees her as one star. Big difference. A scarcity man thinks, if she goes, I'm doomed. An abundance man thinks, if she goes, I still eat, still grow, still thrive. And here is the real truth. Women smell desperation like dung. They see when a man tries too hard, but when a man glows with inner fire, they are curious. Who is he? Why does he not beg like others? Want to build abundance fire? Do these. 1. Live like you have options, even if you do not yet. 2. Focus on self. Train, hunt, build tribe. 3. Make women part of life, not the center of the fire. 4. Always ready to walk away. Because a man who walks strong never walks alone for long. Mindset 2. Pull, no push. Caveman remembers a painful memory. Me chase tribe girl. Me send rock drawings every moon. Me offer roasted squirrel. Me dance near her cave. She smiles, then disappears. Gone like a fart in the wind. Why? Wife explains. Caveman was pushing. Too much, too loud, too desperate. She says, smart men don't push, they pull. Caveman confused. Pull like rope? Wife laughs. No, pull like gravity, like mystery, like honey. See, when a man pushes text first, plans everything, always available, women get bored. No mystery, no chase, she already wins the game. But a man who pulls, he is quiet, he is unpredictable, he gives little, then disappears. Women wonder, where is he? Why does he not talk? What is he doing? Now she is chasing. Want to pull instead of push? Do this. 1. Match her energy. If she texts once, you text once, no more. 2. Be unpredictable. No same hour response, sometimes quick, sometimes later. Tribe must wonder what you are doing. 3. Use playful push-pull. Say, maybe I let you see me again instead of please see me again. 4. Disengage when needed. If she goes cold, you go colder. Fire needs oxygen. If you smother it, it dies. Caveman learns when you chase, you push. When you lead, she pulls closer. Be the mystery, not the megaphone. Mindset 3. Time is sacred. Caveman used to wait by cave door all day, just hoping tribe girl stop by. Me skip hunt, me skip training, me even skip nap. And guess what? She never show up. Why? Because cavemen make time too cheap, and woman know when man got no purpose but her. But then caveman noticed something. Other man in tribe, he no wait. He build spear rack, he go fish, he dance with other women at fire, he busy and women line up to see him. Wife say, that's high value man, he value his time like it gold rock. She write, when you chase woman, you show her, my time no matter. You can cancel, delay, ignore me, I still wait like sad tree stump. But when you protect your time, you show power. Want to pass the time test? Try this. Don't reply instantly to late night texts. You sleep like lion, not bark like dog at midnight. If she cancel plans last minute, say, let me know when you want something real. Then go live life. If she texts dry, don't double message. Let silence speak. Fire no burn without fuel. Truth is simple. Busy man is attractive man. If she respect your time, she chase. If she waste it, you vanish like smoke. Mindset 4. Silent strength equals high status. Caveman used to think loudest man win woman. Me brag at fire. Me hunt 2 mammoths. Me carry 5 logs alone. Me once wrestle bear while sneezing. But woman no impressed. She roll eyes, walk away. Then me notice elder of tribe. He no brag. He just sit, calm, confident, quiet. And yet whole tribe watch him. Women bring him stew without asking. Even rival tribes send gifts. Wife whisper, that man have high status. He no need prove. He just is. And that hit caveman like falling coconut. See, low status man chase validation. He overtalk, overshare, overcompensate. But high status man, he walk into room and own space. He no beg, he lead, he breathe deep. He make others feel his power, not hear it. Want to show silent strength? Here 5 caveman rules. Relaxed presence, straight back, calm eyes, slow movements. You no twitch like scared rabbit. No overreact to drama. If woman test you with cold stare or loud voice, you stay calm. Alpha bear, no bark at squirrel. Set tone, don't mirror energy, you control it. You say pace, tribe follow. Lead decisions, we go here, not what you want. Women want rock, not wet leaf. Keep mystery, no overshare feelings too soon. Let her wonder. Wonder builds want. Cavemen learn, true power not shouted, it carried. Mindset 5, keep mystery, no overshare. Cavemen used to tell everything on first date. Me wanna marry, me dream of baby cave, me once cry during hunt, me afraid of frogs. Cavemen used to tell everything on first date. Me like you, me wanna marry, me dream of baby cave, me once cry during hunt, me afraid of frogs. Next moon, woman gone, no goodbye, just dust. Wife shake head. She say cavemen reveal too much too fast, woman need wonder, not full scroll of your soul. That day cavemen learn, when you tell all, there nothing left to chase. High status man, he share slowly. He no dump life story like spilled stew. He drop little crumbs, he let her wonder. Want to keep mystery? Do this. No emotional explosion on day 1. You not cave diary, you man with story, not storybook. Let her ask questions. If she curious, she invest. If you tell all, she nap. Speak in layers. Maybe I tell you next time. Speak in layers. Maybe I tell you next time. Those 6 words spark lightning in mind. Don't seek validation. You know, say, do you like me? You already know you likable. If not, why she here? Caveman realize when women say you so mysterious, it no insult. It compliment. It mean you give me something to chase. You want to be magnet? Then don't act like open scroll. Be map with hidden treasure. Cavemen sit by fire staring at glowing moon. Think about all the chases, all the mud, all the rejection dances. Then it hit like club to head, man who chase always behind. man who lead always ahead. When you chase woman, you say, please pick me. But when you lead your life with purpose, strength, and mystery, you become man who get picked. Truth is, chasing not make you warrior, it make you follower. And tribe no follow follower. Woman no chase man who cling like wet leaf. She chase man who walk with direction, even if it not toward her. Cavemen now understand, abundance not about how many women, it about how much self-worth. Pull is stronger than push. Time is treasure, not toy. Mystery creates desire, not desperation. And silent strength make more noise than shouting. If you want to be man who no chase, start with this. Build fire, sharpen mind, lead self. Then woman, tribe, and even rivals will feel your power and follow the smoke trail to you. Cavemen stand tall now. Me no chase, me no beg, me no wait by cave door with wilted flower and sad eyes. Now cavemen walk slow, shoulders big, heart strong. Me build fire, me sharpen spear, me focus on path. And guess what? Tribe follow, women follow, even mammoth curious. So if you listen to this fire hunt and you think, maybe caveman speak truth, then do ancient favor, smash magic scribe stick, hit like button, drop comment and say, this what me stop doing to keep tribe respect strong. No need to chase. Be the fire, be the path, be the man who others follow because he follow himself first. You do that, and tribe will never forget your name. Ooga booga.